Solo Leveling Season 2, they released a key image of Jinwoo. So let's draw this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I enjoyed Season 1. It was fun. You know, very straightforward, but pretty good. So center point of my page is about here. Eyes are about on the halfway line, maybe a bit lower even, maybe a bit down. Hair, kind of big, so very thin eyes this time. He's looking intense. So let's try. Go. So just diagonal, slight curve to it, right? And this comes to a spike at the edge and back down. Right, this is kind of slightly darker here in the corner, and then his bottom eyelid just comes around like that. And I'll just darken up the top as well a bit. I think there's like an extra little eyelash line or something sticking off the front here. Right, so very thin eyes. So his iris just like a half circle coming around here, and his pupil kind of thin, like so. So his eyebrow just above, and again everything's kind of thin and sort of slick looking. And you want it to be kind of like a little bit thicker, closer to the front and the middle, but it gets like extremely thin at the back. And then he has like a bit of an eyelid line going across the top there. So, sorry, tickling my throat. So, his other eye, there. So, his eyes are kind of bigger, so the distance between both the eyes isn't sort of, you know, it's not like an eye width. A full eye width would like bring it over here. It's like 3/4 of his eye. Maybe his tear duct to the edge of his iris is about the distance you want. And then this will go slanted, same sort of level. And then we'll spike back. Sorry, now my cat is in the room, but she wants to go out. Right, and then we'll thicken this up a bit. Add that little spike off the front. And then the bottom eyelid just curving around here. Very thin. Again. Nice. And then iris and pupil. So we'll go half circle. There, and then thin sort of pupil in there. And then the eyebrow. We want to make it a little bit thicker at the front. And then his iris, or not his iris, his eyelid line. Just coming around there again. Okay. Intense looking eyes. So now, I will let my cat out. I'll be back. Okay, so his nose is pretty easy. So it's just like line down like that kind of. And there's a gap and then like another thin sort of line there again. That's all they kind of do for his nose. So then his mouth, and then a gap down there, and then his chin is real pointy, like so. Interesting way of doing noses. It's weird. So we'll go for his jaw. And it kind of gradually curves. Up that way. I think that line should be a bit thinner, like it's a real thin line. Sorry. Try and fix that. They do it like super thin. Right, and then his sideburn, kind of long. There. And yeah, it's just like a spike. And his ear comes out from there. And then you can add some ear lines. Starting like this, and adding maybe a few more. So then he has a fringe sort of coming the whole way across his face, right? So we just start here. Just all these hair spikes. And it goes all the way across. So we just go. One here and there, I think. So let them curve back in. Yeah, they go in opposite directions. Right, so then we got some like sticking out here. It starts to go around the head then. Seems like it goes in towards the middle. It's sticking up. There's like some textures in here. Alright, so I think that's the best I can do for his hair. So now he's got like a finger like on his lips. He's like going shh. But we'll get his neck in. Very long, elongated neck. And the neck muscle line there. And the neck muscle line there. You could leave it if you wanted. You don't have to do the hand. But I will, because it's in the poster and it looks cool. So, finger coming across his mouth here. Right. And then his fingernail drawn in like so. And then we can just see the fingers curved over and coming of his hand, just sort of here. And then his thumb. Like that, right? That's all we can sort of see. We can see then his shirt collar. And then there's like fur and stuff, but there's another shirt collar here. And he's got like a big fur coat on, so we'll just draw all these big fur shapes. Zigzag sort of lines like that. That goes around and comes back in. So it goes like this, and you could have like some textures on this, and then there's a collar back here. Right, and then I think he's got like a jacket coming down this way. We do fur on this side as well. And it sort of comes around. You just adding like little spikes and hairy, wavy spikes. And it's got like textures on it and stuff. So little shark fin spikes on it like this. And then the collar, the other collar on the other side, comes around there. And it's like he's got a collar that curves this way, same is the other side. So I haven't read the manga, so I'm excited to see. And I'm not gonna. I just because I like the anime. That was pretty good. So I'm not gonna read it. Yeah, and like I'll raise the chin and stuff. But that's it. Sung Jinwoo. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.